All right, everybody on YouTube. Hello, everybody on YouTube. So, I was streaming last 2 hours, obviously, out of which 1 hour I was not available. But somehow, due to bad internet, my YouTube stream died. I just checked right now, like, what's happening? And then I saw that my stream ended 2 hours ago. Like, what the hell? But I'm glad Twitch is awesome because technically you can only have a single live stream at once. So as soon as they start getting the bits, bytes, whatever, kilobytes, streaming data, they just start to stream. That's a big scam. My bad internet messed up with me. But I will show you guys, the YouTube guys, one fun thing. So I was actually able to finish the active layer, inactive layer box thing. The design is not done. You will be scared when you will see how it is working. Let me just change one thing. I forgot to fix that. Just give me a second. Okay, I need to add this thing for the y-axis part. Okay, now look at this. So I can take this thing and I can throw it there. Now they are on in there, and dude, I can throw this thing there, right? And you wanna know a crazy thing? If I put it there, you can see it is below those WhatsApps, right? I will click on it and then I'll do Alt plus plus plus. Something is happening. Why is the size still increasing? Alt minus minus minus. Why is it an infinite loop, dude? Why? W- w- I stopped clicking, dude. What's wrong with these? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's up? How can I possibly stop it? That's weird. That's weird. Okay, we are fixed now. Let's upload like some images again. Diablo, WhatsApps. We need to test our buttons, dude. Something is wrong with the buttons. Ah, this is weird. Oh, you know what? I will just show you the stuff real quick. P cannot appear as a descendant of P. Hey, since when? Why are you being a weirdo? What's the problem with that? Is this racism? I guess it might be racism. WhatsApp, okay. So I throw the WhatsApp there, I throw another WhatsApp there, I throw another this there. Now, as you can see, Diablo.png, I can. Something happened just now. Cannot read property of undefined. Home reducer T50. Home reducer. How can any of this be undefined? That's weird. That's odd. Something odd is happening. Something odd is happening. Let's add some simple image and test our fun things. Like I put it there, I click on it, I can move it, I can shift move it, I can alt plus it, I can alt minus it, I can rotate it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's unselect it. I will choose a file, right? Let's add like this look.png and throw it there. Control delete, alt delete, and then I'll choose a file. I need something smaller. Crazy dev pie chart, that's garbage. Samantra differ.gif, yeah. So differ.gif, I'll put it there. Now it is right there. As you can see, I want the WhatsApp sign to overlap it. Line 50 and then 52. So v.id is undefined. Somehow state.layers have a thing which is undefined. Are you serious? Is that even possible? You must be lying or something. There is no way that is happening. So if I were to get like Pokemon listing, there's a big image, I don't want that. Diablo, paste. Boom, beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. I put them in the active layer, I put this in the active layer, all working nicely, and then I switch their spots. So we have a undefined in the array, 0, 1 is undefined, nan is that. Huh. How is that possible, you might ask? New index and this. So the new index is math.min, math.max, index minus action.payload.change. Target element is this. Okay, that is making a bit of sense now. I can see it happening. So the best thing to figure out is just log these things, right? Console.log my index, the target index, and then console log this. I would like to change that with that. Awesome. Awesome. I hate it. And let's reload this thing. Let's choose file. Let's get like couple of these guys. I will get the Diablo and WhatsApp.ico. Get him in. They are in. Awesome. I put this thing above. I put another thing above. Seems pretty normal. 0, 1. Now I switch them. I'm assuming nothing happened. I switch them. I switch them. Where was the console logging this? Do I see a lot of numbers somewhere? I fucking do. 1 null, 1 nan nan. 1 and then null. This above this dot get attribute is not real. I see. I will need to console log this. I guess they were right after all. I cannot accept that they were right. How to convert node to HTML? Dot document node, element node, entity node, notation node, blah blah blah. Add event listener after append child base URI before. Clone node contains dispatch first child get rule has. Node name, node type, node value. What is a node value? Parent element, owner document for remove text content. React change child node to HTML element. What do I want to do? Get a child node, HTML ID. You know what, my human friend? Along with this, I will do question mark ID. And I will obviously need to do this. I guess this is what happens when you do non-type safe @TS-ignore things. Seems pretty normal so far. Awesome. Love it. Love it. Put it in active layer. Put it in active layer. Active layer. Awesome so far. Everything seems good. And then I will also like to /n and and then I will like to comma paste Control X, Control V. Now let's throw this bad boy there. Awesome. There it is. So what do you guys see? First of all, I see my index is null, target index has like nothing. I see active anchor 1 and NN. I guess one thing that we can do is if not my index or not target index, then just return. This thing should help a bit, I assume. What is happening, dude? What is happening? What's up, Diablo? Open them again. I guess I can show the source here as well. I don't know. Make them active, replace them. Do you see any console logs? Replace. They aren't replacing themselves. That's quite interestingly weird. So why are these things wrongly indexed all of a sudden? Do you see any console? I need to remove a lot of console logs. There are way too many console logs. Database and stuff doesn't matter. I don't need this boy. I don't need you. I don't really necessarily need you. I don't care about them. What's this? Layer data X and Y. I don't need that. This thing, I need it. Dispatch received, I will keep that for now. I don't need that. Settings, I'll keep you for now. Alright, let's clear this because it is clearly very confusing. Now let's throw it there. Throw this there. Throw this there. Okay, let's look at the console logs now. So my index and target index don't make sense. This sibling above this is active anchor. The sibling above what? The sibling above the current thrown position. That's not making sense. So I take this, I throw it here. I take this, I throw that there. Let me add another one, okay. Differ.jf, yeah. Let's put it there. So I need to minimize the width and stuff somehow. Now if I put it here, it either becomes the first or the last one. So if I throw it here, index 1, zero and 1. Found some issues. /n and a /n there. Now my index was 0 and then the target index was 1. Okay, so right now my index will be 2 and target index should be 1. My index is 2, target index is 1. So this thing should become 1, right? So dispatch change for 1. Right. 2 minus 1. So it should have become 1, but it became that. You did that. Why did you do that? So let's console.log the state.layers after the change. So you, my beautiful guy, go back. So you changed from 0 to 1. So you should have become 1, if I'm not wrong, which I obviously am not. right? But what happened was, I'm assuming what happened was this thing happened twice. Dispatch function ran itself twice. Huh. What the hell? How do I prevent this from happening twice? I have no idea. You know what? I have another good idea. If action.payload.index, then do this, otherwise do this damn thing. Target element is equals to state dot layers bracket action dot payload dot index, right? Action dot payload dot index will become the element, and the elements index will become target element. What's your problem? Trust him. So I will directly provide them with a index. Okay, so instead of change I will just give them an index. How does that work? So let's say my index is 2, I am throwing it at 4, so it should be replaced by 4. So I will just give them the target index, obviously. Now boom, and it died. Line number 52 have an error. Cannot read property of undefined reading this. Okay, let's reload the everything. Click on choose file. I will like you to console log everything. Wait a second. Okay, so we will choose our good old stuff, and I will add these as well. I have 4 things. Now it is going to make a bit more sense for me. 2, 3, and then 4. Let's make all of these guys active for some reason. Boom. So all 4 are active, as you can see. I will actually clear. Now let's see. So I take this GIF and put it there, and it died instantly. I guess I need to add some logs. State dot layers, and I need to end it here as well. I will add an end prefix just in case. I need to upload every damn thing again. This sucks. Differ, and these 3 guys open. I guess I can test it inside inactive layers as well. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do it then. 3 and 4. Awesome. I guess it will take a bit to load the images. Do we have to worry about that? Obviously not. But I just want to clear the damn thing. And let's look at it. So I take the differ, I throw it on the WhatsApp. Now if we look at the logs, 0 1 blah blah blah, so target is 1, dispatch received index 1, then the 0 1 2 3, 1 is undefined. That's awesome. How in the fucking world of humanity this target index becomes undefined? Am I should I what what should I do? I hate where, that's why. That's the only reason I hate this thing. So another reason to not use where. Another reason to not use switch. Fucking switch. I should stop using switch right now. Nah, that's a waste of time. I've already started it. If this thing starts to be a problem again, a big problem, then we need to look into it, and we can look into it then. But for now, it works like a charm. So let it work like a charm. So we have 4 things, as you can see, loading.gif and other stuff. Now as you can see, we have a lot of stuff in the console logs. We don't like that. We clear it. We pick the WhatsApp, we throw it there. We throw this there. Holy fuck. So you YouTube guys, can you notice this thing is working now? Yes, it does. And it fucking died. So I did 30 3 NAN 2 1 1 3. Why and how we got NAN? That's a good question. Now, my beautiful friends, I will do something for you. Action.payload index, and then we have index. Index can be -1, but it cannot be NAN. Only this can be NAN. No. Only this can be NAN. Let me add this thing right there. Index, action payload, new index, target element. Itto. Let's copy the object, throw that there, and enter. Okay. That's interesting. How on earth new index happened? If action.payload. Oh shit, that's why. Type of action.payload.index is equals to number. Then do this. Issue fixed, everything works, layer thing works, drops like a charm, trust me. Don't need to test anything. Now we need to worry about a text component and a timer component. And obviously making a better setting works in both layer and in what? And another setting tab for extended settings or something. Okay. I don't know. Something. Now I need to get some suggestions on how can I add a text component. Like I can have like a add layer option, then the user can choose, is it a image? Then I will give them an alert, dude, use the choose file. Second, is it text? Third, is it whatever is the third option, I forgot. Yeah, timer. How will that work? I have no idea. I will figure it out, hopefully. Build screen. This is so hard. I don't understand. Build screen, build container, build screen. I want you to have a background color of white. Or you know what? I will make you grayish or something. This is Nice and good. This is good enough for now. Now, for text component, we can do something exactly similar. Oh yeah, I found some mistake. In image section, I want you to have a maximum width. I want you to have a maximum width of 20%. Let's try to add a GIF of differ again. It should not mess up like there like last time now. It did. I don't understand. Border 1 pixel solid red. Image container is that. Okay. And then image can have a border. Nice. Primary section can have a border. Nice. And the whole goddamn layer can have a border. Nice. So this is the layer. This is padding and stuff. Now what the fuck is wrong with this image, you might ask. I guess I can give you a margin left of auto. And I can give this thing a display of flex. I can remove that. Nice. CSS fit our image inside square. I don't care. Good. So this is better, a bit better. Text component, I can just say like TX or something. Nice. This is actually nice. We are doing good progress. I'll put it there. Awesome. Okay. So it's been a while since I'm streaming, so it's time to take a break for me. I'm streaming since 30 minutes. No, 343 minutes. Yeah, I think I should take a break and then I will do some mobile stuff. And then I will do what? What could I do next? I will finish the modern NV and then I should be good. Okay. See you all soon. And I might stream again tonight because it's just 5 p.m. right now.